Look at Big Tig Tig. Tig's living the life. Look at that plush blanket. Oh, he's yawning. And it's raining outside. It's cold and rainy. There's going to be a storm coming. And Tig is chilling inside. He's living a life. Look how majestic he is. Tig Tig. Tig is so handsome and majestic. Look at Big Tig Tig. I love you, Tig Tig. Tiggy Tig 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 Tig. I'm so proud of you, Tig Tig. I'm so proud of my big Tig Tiggy Tig Tiggy Tig Tig Tig. And Dev's over here. You better eat your food, Dev. Dev didn't eat his food yet. No, sir, Dev. No treats. No treats until you eat. Gotta eat your regular food. Tig Tig. Tig's amazing. Look how beautiful Tig is. Tiggy Tig 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 Tig. You better chill, Tig. Do not get his food, Tig. I know that look. Look at Tig being sneaky. He's gonna try and dash for Dev's food. Dev has special kidney food for his kidney disease. And Tig's crazy self is trying to eat it. Tig Tig. Like as if he doesn't have enough of his own food. He's always running in here when it's time to feed Dev. Look at Tig. Tig don't care. And what's Dev talking about? Dev wants to be on cam. This is Tig's show right now. This is Tig Tig. Dev will be on cam later, okay? Look at Tig Tig. Tig's amazing. I love you, Tig Tig. Tig's an amazing boy. I love you, Tig Tig. Tiggy Tig, Tiggy Tig, Tig Tig. Teddy Bear Tig. Look at Teddy Bear Tig. Tig's a teddy bear. Tig's my tiger bear. Mwah. I love you, Tig Tig. When tiggy tig 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 tig. Tiggy tiggy tig tig tiggy tig tig. Look how gorgeous he is. When tiggy tiggy tig tig tig. When tiggy 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 tig tig tig. Tig loves his belly rub. Tig loves his belly rub. Look at big Tig Tig. I look at my tiggy 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 tiggy. Tig loves his belly rub. Look at that little Tig Tig, honey. Look at my little Kit Kat, honey boo. What kind of little Kit Kat are you, honey? What kind of little Kit Kat are you, honey boo? Look at that little cutie, honey boo. Tiggy Tig Tig Tig. Tig's living the life. And look how soft this plush blanket is. This is so soft. And Tig's laying right up under it. Tig's staying warm and cozy. Because it's like 40 degrees outside. And cold and wet and rainy and windy. Everybody's got the flu or COVID. And Tig's living a life. I love you, Tiggy Tig Tig Tig. Tiggy 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 tig. A tiggy tig tig. A tiggy tig tig. A tiggy tig tiggy tig. I see your sneaky look, Tig. Tig's gonna be going for Dev's food in a minute. I know he's strategizing. You know, he's trying to make me think he's all sleepy and chilled back. You know, catch me off guard and hope that I maybe walk out of the room so he can quickly run for that bowl behind me. I know Tig Tig. I know Tiggy Tig Tiggy Tig Tig Tig. He's not sleepy. He lays his head like that, but look at his tail. You see his tail? Tig Tig. Tig Tig knows. Tiggy Tig knows. Look at that little Tig Tig, honey boo. Mwah. Tiggy Tig Tig Tig. A tiggy tig tiggy tig. A tiggy tig tig. A tiggy tig tig. A tiggy tig tiggy tig. I love you, Tig Tig. You're so amazing, Tig Tig. And Tiggy Tig Tig. I'm drawing your portrait, Tick Tick. I'm drawing your portrait, Tick Tick. You're so amazing and gorgeous. Yes, I love you forever and ever and ever, Tick Tick. You and me forever and ever. You, me, and Devi Dev, and Coconut, and all our babies, past, present, and future. Tick's amazing.